Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to use Clock user manage. Okay, go to the Clock user management. Okay, let's see. These are the users inside the ADMS. That means the Clock send the user details to ADMS. So here we are going to edit the user and update to the Clock. That means the ADMS can edit the data then send back to the clock again. So that means ADMS and the clock sync back. Okay, click edit. Okay, see if I want to change the name, I can change. If I want to add the gender, I can add. Then date of birth, then joining date and end date. So end date, I already mentioned. Don't put today date. It's a maximum. It's a default. It's maximum. Whatever you want, you can change. Then click save. Okay. This user data sync back to the clock. Okay. Let's see. We can edit the name, whatever the details we can edit. So if I don't want the user, I can delete also. If some of the user it doesn't sync means I can select the user. I'm going to select the machine. Manually I can distribute the user. That means I select the user, sync back to that particular machine, which machine I want to sync. I can do like that. Okay, on this one, for example, I select all the user. I click select all, then click this one, this button. That means select all the user to all the clock. I select all the user, then sync back to all the machine. This one is some cases only we are using. The ADMS automatically detect the machine and automatically sync back the user. So this one is a manual one. We already know about the column settings. We can select the column. Then if I don't want means I can remove. Then adjust the column width and size. That's it. Okay, then next one, device synchronization. This part literally same. If I want the face template, I select the machine. Sometimes some machine gets stuck or hang or disconnected. There is no internet or power shutdown. Some cases. So if I want the face template means when I click face sync, it's going to sync back to ADMS. This one is a manual, manually sync manually. You see. So which machine I select, I'm going to sync. That means in this case the machine sync or not. If it doesn't sync means I'm going to sync. For example, I'm going to sync all. Okay, I'm going to edit. Let's see. If I untick this machine, it doesn't sync. Oh, in this case I have only one machine, so there is no chance to unsync. Okay, and this one is a master unit, so I cannot untick the unsync one. Okay, so I can change the name floor.